topic is volt ampere characteristics of PN junction. So volt ampere characteristics means a graph between the voltage and the current. When a graph between the voltage applied across the terminal and the current flowing through the PN junction. So when a graph is plotted, this is called the VI characteristics of PN junction. This activity you have already done in your experimental part in semester 5, and now we are moving ahead for the circuit arrangement which is required for determining VI characteristics. So here PN junction is there, where this is the positive side and this is the negative side, and a variable battery is connected through R, and the ammeter is here to record the readings of current. So this is voltmeter to measure potential difference across PN junction. So when zero external voltage, this is the first case, when zero external voltage is applied, so there is no voltage which is applied here, so the key is open, so the flow of electric current is not there, so there is no flow or zero current is flowing. So this is the case, this is the point here. So 0 volt is applied and 0 current is there. Next, when we forward bias the PN junction, we are going to connect the positive terminal with the P side of the junction, and negative terminal of the battery with the N side of the terminal. So this is how the forward biasing is done. So when we have forward biased the PN junction, so the P type of material, we have positive holes in there, they are repelled by the positive battery voltage. So there are free electrons in the N type, they are repelled by the negative voltage. So so actually what happens is there is a small current which flows till the minimum value of the barrier voltage. So the barrier voltage is 0.7 for silicon and 0.3 for germanium. So this is actually needed to overcome the potential barrier. So till here, this is the case for silicon, 0.7 volt. The current increases to some extent, but after approaching 0.7 voltage, the current increases sharply. So this is the knee voltage, and after that the current increases sharply as compared to the voltage difference. So next is there is another one point, that this voltage is known as the knee voltage. And next we have reverse bias. In reverse bias, P terminal is connected to the negative side of the battery and N terminal is connected to the positive side of the battery. And here also, because the current flow is very small, so microampere meter is used